enda
saka sha ndio ndikuona kuti mari dzedu isuka hadzisi kumira zvakanaka ndimunokuona kudai tiri kuexpecta kuti mari yakadai yakazobudire mucirculation tichitaura nemember of states kana kuti dzinoziva nezvevanhu mari andinoona nokuti iri kutinesa izvo zvikaenda pamashopi kana mukamuchida mudhara tongofamba svika pamashopi inotadza kutenga saka takamira takadaro ka ndachiti dai hurumende ikatikwanirawo paminitsi ekuti mari hatingangoirasi
yo ma100 chai
handimuona ndina yangu dai munhu wese kana achina yake ngatitaure kuti vatipiwo mari yedu yakakwana pane kuti tipote tichibhaizwa nebhengi tikunyepesha mani
kwane mazigi ka
but kaiye mazigi yetu vari vati tirostritirana unoona saka ipapa nhasi am very clear kuti ndakamira kuti semember of ruling party government failed us on our monies like this you see saka I wanted to compensate myself and others in terms of these monies, because we had this money, we were very rich, but we are getting poor because they destroyed the system to go on in terms of monetary vis-a-vis with the American US dollar and even with the euro and the British pound. So we are very, very, very keen for myself. Mari yedu big ni vhari yatakapa because dzangofanana mari imwe yacho iri kutobvaruka hatimuoni saka ndaida kuti muite play since muri munhu anenge ariwo kana kuti ane interest ezvetourist ishi
but kunoshanda multi currency unogona kushandisa euro ushandisa British pound
yes,
and US dollar,
but I am not happy about the way the government handled this situation where the banks were buying this money without straight run. You see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe this is 1,000 as you count it in notes. This is written in Harare 2023. That is last year. But 1,000 cannot buy in Zimbabwe. What do you mean is if United Nations or government is corrupt in terms of managing its businesses and monetary affairs equally and adequately? Just the guys like in Tulinube, they are failing to give us our compensation in terms of our monetary affairs like this. Last year,
without the governor, without the governor, I say you.
Do not need a Ministry of Finance in the compensate to money yangu. Otherwise, I will be asking about the money because we had this money. This is 3,000, but I don't buy even anything about it. To kind of mashoba. I didn't buy it about Tinga Tishan's of US. The Bano got out the US. That is the Roman young in the Gaffa Marine 40 with something like 50, 60,000. That was 60,000 because I cannot go on with my business. Then you go to Maria, you only got you offer you. Wanda,
would have 60,000 sick.
The would have Maria send a transactor. When it's really in sick, you know, I had my money, but it get lost. You can circulate this issue on YouTube and etc. You can see this is summertime, but it's very real about the ideology of leadership. Is I am a ruling party member and also a movement for democratic change in life since I have my money, you see. But this money cannot buy. I'm not going to find a mono in the demonstration and go love the Marie is but the good night needs. Not to Marie think of treasure is treasure. I remember this, I can tell this on Governor Change.
Governor Upon
the Dr. John Mangu.
Akachinja
kwakanga anonzi John Musika.
Ndiari pamasiki
saka zvakaita sezvo zvinhu zvekuti takaenda according to society takaita chido chekuti tiise mari yedu mumabhengi but yakadyiwa nyanya inini imuti ipapo that nokuti ndine plea until takutona government yakuti chinyowani anoti
but uri honorable ke?
Yes. Timutenga nyati kumtatu.
Zvewawo zvekubva papi panyaya yemari?
Yapera conversation, ndonori conversation itatati muzoverenga muri kuAmerica kana kuti when you are free, you analyze that video so that we adjust it, so that we post it on ZW Finance Facebook, so that we get our money what? Big. Mari tinayo. Ndinoda kuti zvinaki.
Wakaipiwa mari yako 60,000 ziki unoisi?
Makati?
60,000 ziki unoisi?
Do invest in a lot of even buy a flat and 2 cars, start my business. You see?
Imari in US 60,000.
According to the
Rate ya
rate vis-a-vis 1:1. They should need 100 USD because it's the same currency as we pledge it in international forum.
All right.
Yes. So with those junctures, we are very, very keen for ourselves to be clear in the validity of sale in most points here in Harare is failing. So the bank must exchange these notes and give us that is on, rather than to force kuti vanhu vaite malosses vasinga liquidity power rekutenga vachitenga at low rate.
Saka
kuti mari yanga uri correct, governor angangochinja chete. This money was correct because tikada kutaura kuti nanhasi ndine mari yangu yakakwana ndisana muona kunge ndinomboshootwa nayo, but takaona kuti yakangotanga kuchinja. Saka I'm pleading to government ngaiti nzwisiso itipo mari yedu ine zig sevalue yainayo sevalue yainomecha international, otherwise government yakuda kuti vhiringa andimuzwa.
Saka imimi honorable Gweja, you want to be compensated?
Yes, of course.
Kova imimi nani?
Me and other people who hold this currency as a note that we know that this is a brand new note in terms of circulation. Last year money, if you look at the instance like America, their notes maybe they come from 2009, some of 2003, but here in Zimbabwe, a note of 2000 last year cannot buy now. What do that mean in terms of fiscal point and life control?
Hey, I'm not chirungu.
Tunozvita seko mari yedu yakusatenga ndinofana kupaka violence.
Samula kutangisa rusha manje Mdaremi?
No. Or maybe I shall try to make it count.
Saka where do I say?
We are American, we were surviving on the aid and also nature of life from the Most High, but we have problems like sanctions that are coming from government officials or disorder as I plead.
Saka kotakatanga tamboti America ibise ma sanctions ne UK tutangira ipapo
zvinoita because zvinoita kuti paive neclarity yekunoti request inenge ichidiwa neHarare kunyanya. Maivese acho futi must be up to date aripo
anditi maita bomdari. Sanctions must go.
Yes, from the government officials and United Nations aid, US aid, EU aid, or even the banking systems must subvert such factors like failure of money, power.
Right.
In Zimbabwe.
Maita bo.
Yeah, man.